Series Admission in Focus. This is Shayon. Today here with us, Kashish is there. Hi, Kashish.
Hello, Sian, and hello, everyone.
Kashish has got All India rank 9 in 2020 GATE Chemistry. That's why this discussion is to get the preparation strategy from Kashish. Hi, Kashish. Why not you're introducing yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. Myself, Kashish Madan, and I have done my graduation in chemistry from Delhi University, and then I pursued masters from IIT Kanpur, getting an AIR of 44 in IIT JAM examination, and now I have got a GATE AIR 9 as Sian mentioned. So here I am with you this meeting to give you some perspective of my preparation.
So I want to know first one thing. What about the mindset? From which timeline I should set our mind to prepare for GATE examination?
So as you know, in the last year of MSc, you need to think, okay, what now? मतलब मेरे को अब आगे क्या करना है? So in the third semester, I guess, you should start thinking about what should I do now, and you should stuck with your plan. Means मैंने क्या किया, मैंने जुलाई में प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करी थी. सो इन द मीन्स मैंने जुलाई में माइंडसेट सेट किया था अपना कि यस मेरे को अब गेट करना है, एंड देयर वर माय फ्रेंड्स हु वर डूइंग, everyone was doing PhD in my college. Means in IIT Kanpur, means we have 40 students in our class and 35 students are doing going for the PhD. But I set my mind to do GATE, and that's how. So I set up first my mind, then only you can prepare. So
Preparation can be done in a simultaneously GATE and PhD.
yeah, means it's hard to do the GATE when everyone is doing the opting for PhD. But you know, if you want to do job, then you have to set up your mind. And I don't want to study anymore, so that's why I opt to GATE.
So how does
Yeah.
it differ from JAM preparation to GATE preparation?
Actually, to prepare for GATE, you need to have some basic clear. So that's why you have to have some preparation from the JAM. If your preparation for the JAM is good, then you need to prepare less for the GATE examination. Otherwise, you need to start from the beginning. Means most of the topics in the JAM and GATE are similar, but in the GATE they are more advanced. So you have to prepare the basic. So yeah, that was a plus point for me that I have the jam preparation also. Yeah.
Actually, it's the continuations of JAM.
Yeah.
Because for CSIR, you have also prepared and you have
Yeah.
got good grades.
So as I was preparing for GATE, I had the CSIR examination in December 2019. So I cleared that examination with a good rank, I guess, AIR 52. So I didn't prepare extra for the CSIR NET, as CSIR NET syllabus is very vast, means very, very vast. But with the GATE preparation, I have cleared that exam. Means you are preparing for CSIR NET, then you can clear GATE. Means the GATE syllabus is less than CSIR NET. So yeah, you can prepare. You can obviously clear the GATE.
What are the main topics I have to cover for GATE as well as CSIR?
Yeah, means for the GATE and CSIR, means there are no criteria. Means which topic should I study? There is question from different topics every year. Means this year nuclear chemistry there was more question. Means 6 to 7 questions were there, and I haven't studied the nuclear chemistry at all. Means not that deep, so I didn't attend it. But yeah, you can say there are some topics that are important. Just from physical chemistry, there is quantum, so there were two three questions from there, and there is one question from electrochemistry, obviously the cell potential, and then from some question from kinetics, and then from the bioinorganic. Then you need to prepare the stereochemistry for organic, otherwise you can't do organic if you don't know how to do stereochemistry. So yeah, I think these are the main topic you should prepare.
That formula in physical chemistry, how should you figure out that one?
Yeah, formula, actually you need to remember the formula. Means from starting I have every formula. Means in this year there was a question which depends on a very long formula of the concentration of any conjugative reaction, I guess. So, but there was one alternative way, and that way stuck in my mind in the examination. Means you need to have the full knowledge of the physical chemistry and the basic. Then, yeah, you need to remember the formulas and you learn how.
So as you said, the nuclear chemistry you have not read that much well,
Yes,
but
yes,
there was question. So if that's the situation, how
yeah.
should I manage that one?
Means
What type of question I should attend and how much question I should attend to get a good score?
Means in my guess, I have attended only 55, 56 questions mostly. And you should, my 2, 3 questions were in negative marking, then all was good. Means what I need to say is that if you don't know the answer of any question, then just skip it. Don't try to remember, okay मैंने ये कहीं पढ़ा होगा, अच्छा मैंने ये शायद ये वर्ड पढ़ा है, ऐसा कुछ मत करिए. अगर आपको पक्का श्योर है कि हाँ मैंने पढ़ा है, मेरे को याद आ जाएगा, और ठीक है. नहीं पढ़ा, आपको आइडिया ही नहीं है वो क्वेश्चन क्या, तो आप छोड़ दीजिए, क्योंकि टाइम मैनेजमेंट आपको करना पड़ता है गेट एग्जामिनेशन में. दैट्स अ वेरी टफ थिंग टू डू.
That point of view, that time management. There are many
Yeah.
questions we have got that how to manage the time for GATE examination.
अगर आपको टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना है, सो यू नीड टू solve the previous year, and you need to start a stopwatch and try to solve the previous year, so that you can see that how much time you are taking for every question, and you need to prepare for that. Yeah, ऐसे नहीं होगा. मीन्स इन द गेट एग्जामिनेशन मेरा तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन मिस हो गया था, बिकॉज आई डेंट हैव द टाइम. Because the gate calculator, the one thing is the gate calculator. You need to prepare how to use the gate calculator. I knew it from my exam examination, but download and learn how to use it. But I was I was confused that my calculation are right or not, so I was double checking them. That's why it took more time for me. I got a good rank. My
That's a
strategy was first to combine, collect the, means what are the syllabus, what is the syllabus in my. Then you need to have a coaching or someone to mentor you. Okay. The main thing is there is not very vast syllabus in gate if you have done the jam preparation. So it took me around, means I have prepared from August, and in the November end my preparation was full, and then I was obviously revision was there, and then you need to give the test series, obviously, so that you can time manage, you can manage the time.
exactly.
Yeah.
So we have got the whole things, how to prepare, how to make a strategy, and how to manage
Yes,
the
yes.
time, everything. And if the friends now, if you have any questions, any query about that, we will put the email of Kashish in the description box. Just let us know. Comment on the video if you have any questions like this, and Kashish will